How to use the question word sino or who in Tagalog. Sino ang dinidate mo? Sino ang dinidate mo? Meaning, who are you dating? Who are you dating? Sino yon? Sino yon? Who's that? Who's that? Sino siya? Sino siya? Who is he? Or who is she? Sino ang susunod? Sino ang susunod? Who's next? Who's next? Sino sa akala mo ang niloloko mo? Sino sa akala mo ang niloloko mo? Who do you think you're fooling? Who do you think you're fooling? Sino ang gusto mong makausap? Sino ang gusto mong makausap? Who do you want to talk to? Who do you want to talk to? Sino ang emir ng Qatar? Sino ang emir ng Qatar? Who is the emir of Qatar? Who is the emir of Qatar? Sino ang umalis? Sino ang umalis? Who left? Who left? Sino ang nanalo sa laban? Sino ang nanalo sa laban? Who won the match? Who won the match? Sinong nagsabi sa'yo na pwede kang pumarada rito? Sinong nagsabi sa'yo na pwede kang pumarada rito? Who told you you could park here? Who told you you could park here? Sino ang gumawa niyan? Sino ang gumawa niyan? Who did it? Or who did that? Sino-sino ang mga taong yon? Sino-sino ang mga taong yon? Who are all those people? Who are all those people? Sino ang kinausap mo? Sino ang kinausap mo? Who did you talk to? Who did you talk to? Our next sentence shows the contracted form of the phrase sino ang, which is sinong. Sinong, meaning who is or who are. Sinong nagugutom? Sinong nagugutom? Who's hungry? Who's hungry? Sinong gusto ng kape? Sinong gusto ng kape? Who wants coffee? Who wants coffee? Sinong nag-imbento ng telepono? Sinong nag-imbento ng telepono? Who invented the telephone? Who invented the telephone? Sino ang pinakamalapit mong kaibigan? Sino ang pinakamalapit mong kaibigan? Who's your best friend? Who's your best friend? Nakanino na yun ngayon? Nakanino na yun ngayon? Who has it now? Who has it now? Sinong una? Sinong una? Who's first? Who's first? Sinong nagdrawing nito? Sinong nagdrawing nito? Who drew it? Or who drew this? Sinong tinanong mo? Sinong tinanong mo? Who did you ask? Who did you ask? Sinong nakita mo? Sinong nakita mo? Who did you see? Who did you see? Sinong bumili niyan? Sinong bumili niyan? Who bought it or who bought that? Sinong tinatawagan mo? Sinong tinatawagan mo? Who are you calling? Who are you calling? Sinong nagpalaki sa'yo? Sinong nagpalaki sa'yo? Who raised you? Who raised you? Sino ang may kailangan? Sino ang may kailangan? Who needs it? Who needs it? Sinong nagrereklamo? Sinong nagrereklamo? Who's complaining? Who's complaining? Sino pa ang nakakaalam? Sino pa ang nakakaalam? Who else knows? Who else knows? Sino ang kasama mo sa bahay? Sino ang kasama mo sa bahay? Who do you live with? Who do you live with? Sino ang may gusto nito? Sino ang may gusto nito? Who wants this? Who wants this? Sinong nakabasag nito? Sinong nakabasag nito? Who broke this? Who broke this? Sino ang gusto mo? Sinong gusto mo? Who do you like? Who do you like? Sinong nagutos? Sinong nagutos? Who gave the order? Who gave the order? Sinong iniiwasan mo? Sinong iniiwasan mo? Who are you avoiding? Who are you avoiding? Sino ang nagbigay nito sa'yo? Sino ang nagbigay nito sa'yo? Who gave you this? Or, who gave it to you? Sino ang pinagsabihan mo? Sino ang pinagsabihan mo? Who did you tell? Who did you tell? Sino ang hindi nakakaalam? Sino ang hindi nakakaalam? Who doesn't know? Who doesn't know? Sino ang nakatira rito? Sino ang nakatira rito? Who lives here? Who lives here? Sino ang presidente ng Pilipinas? Sino ang presidente ng Pilipinas? Who is the president of the Philippines? Who's the president of the Philippines? Sinong sumulat ng The Witcher? Sinong sumulat ng The Witcher? Who wrote The Witcher? Who wrote The Witcher? Sinong nakatuklas ng gravity? Sinong nakatuklas ng gravity? Who discovered gravity? Who discovered gravity? Sinong kausap ni Henry? Sinong kausap ni Henry? Who is Henry talking to? Who is Henry talking to? Sino pa ang nandito? Sino pa ang nandito? Who else is here? Who else is here? Sinong nagsabi sa'yo niyan? Sinong nagsabi sa'yo niyan? Who told you that? Who told you that? Sinong nasugatan? Sinong nasugatan? Who got hurt? Or who got injured? Sinong nahulog sa balon? Sinong nahulog sa balon? Who fell into the well? Who fell into the well? Sinong namatay? Sinong namatay? Who died? Who died? Sinong dapat sisihin? Sinong dapat sisihin? Who's to blame? Who's to blame? Sinong nagpahintulot nito? Sinong nagpahintulot nito? Who authorized this? Who authorized this? Sino ang nanay mo? Sino ang nanay mo? Who's your mother? Who's your mother? Sinong kasama mo dyan? Sinong kasama mo dyan? Who's there with you? Who's there with you? Sinong sumigaw? Sinong sumigaw? Who yelled? Who yelled? Sinong nandaya? Sinong nandaya? Who cheated? Who cheated? Sinong nalilito? Sinong nalilito? Who's confused? Who's confused? Sino ang huli mong naka-holding hands? Sino ang huli mong naka-holding hands? Who did you last hold hands with? Who did you last hold hands with? Sino ka? Sino ka? The polite way of saying this is, sino po sila? Sino po sila? Who are you? Who are you? Please note that sino ka sounds rude in Filipino, so it's better if you use the polite form, sino po sila, when asking a stranger. Sino ang magmamaneho? Sino ang magmamaneho? Who will drive? Who will drive? Sino ang may-ari ng bag na to? Sino ang may-ari ng bag na to? Who owns this bag? Who owns this bag? Sinong nagtayo ng Leaning Tower of Pisa? Sinong nagtayo ng Leaning Tower of Pisa? Who built the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Who built the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Sinong pinakamahal mo sa lahat? Sinong pinakamahal mo sa lahat? Who do you love the most? Who do you love the most? Sino ang nagbukas ng pinto? Sino ang nagbukas ng pinto? Who opened the door? Who opened the door? Sinong gumawa ng cake na to? Sinong gumawa ng cake na to? Who made this cake? Who made this cake? Sinong kumanta ng One More Light? Sinong kumanta ng One More Light? Who sang One More Light? Who sang One More Light? Sinong nagplano ng biyahe? Sinong nagplano ng biyahe? Who planned the trip? Who planned the trip? Sinong nagbayad nito? Sinong nagbayad nito? Who paid for it? Or, who paid for this? Sinong nagturo sa iyong magtagalog? Sinong nagturo sa iyong magtagalog? Who taught you Tagalog? Who taught you Tagalog? Sinong imimit natin? Sinong imimit natin? Who are we meeting? Who are we meeting? Sinong tumakbo? Sinong tumakbo? Who ran? Who ran? Sinong tumakas? Sinong tumakas? Who ran away? Who ran away? Sinong absent? Sinong absent? Who's absent? Who's absent? Sino ang unang tao sa buwan? Sino ang unang tao sa buwan? Who was the first person on the moon? Who was the first person on the moon? Sino ang gumawa ng atomic bomb? Sino ang gumawa ng atomic bomb? Who created the atomic bomb? Who created the atomic bomb? Sinong nag-imbita sa'yo? Sinong nag-imbita sa'yo? Who invited you? Who invited you? Sino ang abogado mo? Sino ang abogado mo? Who's your lawyer? Who's your lawyer? Sino ang paborito mong superhero? Sino ang paborito mong superhero? Who's your favorite superhero? Who's your favorite superhero? Sino ang iboboto mo sa susunod na eleksyon? Sino ang iboboto mo sa susunod na eleksyon? Who will you vote for in the next election? Who will you vote for in the next election? Sino pong tumatawag? Sino pong tumatawag? Who's calling? Who's calling? Sinong nagpadala nito? Sinong nagpadala nito? Who sent this? Who sent this? Sinong gusto mong makita ng personal? Sinong gusto mong makita ng personal? Who would you like to meet in person? Who would you like to meet in person? Sinong kumain ng merienda ko? Sinong kumain ng merienda ko? Who ate my snacks? Who ate my snacks? Sinong sumuntok sa'yo? Sinong sumuntok sa'yo? Who hit you? Or who punched you? Sinong nangunguna? Sinong nangunguna? Who's number one or who's in the lead? Sino ang papalit sa'yo? Sino ang papalit sa'yo? Who will replace you? Who will replace you? Sino-sino ang mga kaibigan mo? Sino-sino ang mga kaibigan mo? Who are your friends? Who are your friends? Sino-sino ang mga kaaway mo? Sino-sino ang mga kaaway mo? Who are your enemies? Who are your enemies? Sinong nagsimula ng sunog? Sinong nagsimula ng sunog? Who started the fire? Who started the fire? Sinong nakabasag ng tasa? Sinong nakabasag ng tasa? Who broke the cup? Who broke the cup? Sino ang nagpapasweldo sa'yo? Sino ang nagpapasweldo sa'yo? Who pays your salary? Who pays your salary? Sino ang nagnakaw ng mga mansanas? Sino ang nagnakaw ng mga mansanas? Who stole the apples? Who stole the apples? Sino ang nagtanggal ng TV sa saksakan? Sino ang nagtanggal ng TV sa saksakan? Who unplugged the TV? Who unplugged the TV? Sinong tumutulong sa'yo? Sinong tumutulong sa'yo? Who's helping you? Who's helping you? Sino ang hindi busy? Sino ang hindi busy? Who's not busy? Who's not busy? Sinong nagpinta niyan? Sinong nagpinta niyan? Who painted it? Or, who painted that? Sinong nag-alis? Sinong nag-alis? Who removed it? Who removed it? Sinong nagbebenta nito? Sinong nagbebenta nito? Who sells this? Who sells this? Sinong gagawa? Sinong gagawa? Who will do it? Who will do it? Sinong dumating? Sinong dumating? Who came? Who came? Nakanino ang mga susi? Nakanino ang mga susi? Who has the keys? Who has the keys? Sinabi niya ba kung sino? Sinabi niya ba kung sino? Did he say who? Did he say who? Sino ang nasa meeting room? Sino ang nasa meeting room? Who's in the meeting room? Who's in the meeting room? Sino ang pwede kong kausapin? Sino ang pwede kong kausapin? Who can I talk to? Who can I talk to? Sino ang babaeng yon? Sino ang babaeng yon? Who's that girl? Who's that girl? Sino ang nag-delete ng file? Sino ang nag-delete ng file? Who deleted the file? Who deleted the file? Sino ang hindi pupunta? Sino ang hindi pupunta? Who's not coming? Who's not coming? Sino ang tumawag sa 911? Sino ang tumawag sa 911? Who called 911? Who called 911? Para kanino yan? Para kanino yan? Who is it for? Or, who is that for?